Today, I'm diving the breakwater wall at San Carlos Beach. Not only am I hoping to see cool animals, but I'm also hoping to clean the reef of some fishing line and weights, and then upcycle it into an art project. Today I'm joining a diver who cleans line up the wall almost every day for years. Y'all know her, or if not, get to know her. It's Melanie. Today, I'm really happy to be joining in on our dive, and hopefully we'll see a lot of cool things. The wall starts with piles of large boulders stacked upon each other, the rocks detailed with all kinds of growth on them, and we're welcomed by the usual critters. We start our dive plan to sweep the bottom of the wall. It wasn't long until we found our first line to clean up. We discussed in the details about how we should clean the line as a team, using shears to free the plants, careful not to knock rocks over, keeping our fins off the reef, and making sure we weren't just pulling too hard to disturb the animals, working around them. We didn't want to cause any further damage to the reef. The shears came in handy, as most of the line we encountered was entangled into the rocks and plants. Even the most entangled knotted line was able to be resolved with a couple extra cuts of the shears. For tangled plants that can't be resolved by cutting, a little patience goes a long way. Consider it a buoyancy training opportunity. I didn't feel like I was missing out on sightseeing while I was cleaning up trash. For the most part, I felt I saw a lot of things while cleaning up, more than usual than my normal dives. Some fishing lines lead me to random spots on the wall I wouldn't normally travel to, and even residents of the wall would come out to check out the commotion. It's about 20 minutes in, and we already have a sizable haul. Along with the line we found, we also found rubber squids, uniquely shaped weights, a small bait cage, and a crown urchin. After my dive, I set off to the succulent gardens to pick up some air plants to finish the project.